жылның ямле жай айында балакайым сине китердим. Бәхетләре булсын, бөрек дидим, җил давылдан саклап үстердем. Күрәкле кулларыңны суздың, ничек сөенмәсен йөрәгем, сөялергә теләгем булсын дип, мин Алладан кемдә сорадым. Фәрештәләр амин диде бугай, чын-чынлап табылдың теләгем, бәхетле бул, көлеп яшә балам, шушы сиңа иң зур теләгем.
And it's not too long before you point it out. I cannot cry because I know that's weakness in your eyes. I'm forced to fake a smile, a laugh every day of my life. My heart can't possibly break when it wasn't even whole to start with. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I learned to play on the safe side so I don't get hurt. Because of you, I find it hard to trust not only me but everyone around me. Because of you, I am afraid. I watched you die, I heard you cry every night in your sleep. I was so young, you should have known better than to lean on me. You never thought of anyone else, you just saw your pain. And now I cry in the middle of the night for the same damn thing. Because of you, I never strayed too far from the sidewalk. Because of you, I